Expand Machinery offers the most versatile line of manual, toolroom, and prototype machines on the market. Our toolroom lathe is as accurate as it is beautiful and is a powerful addition to your toolroom or prototype department for those accurate manual turning needs. We also offer the GANESH line of manual engine lathes. The GANESH lathe line gives you the ability to do long work between centers using a tailstock and steady rest along with 3 or 4 jaw chuck. Our extra wide beds come in 24 inches to 32 inches width for heavy rigid cuts with superior accuracy. The Expand Machinery GANESH lathes come in swing sizes from 20 to 60 inches and lengths from 40 inches to 240 inches and special order lengths greater than 240 inches. They are also available with big spindle bores from 6 inches up to 25 inches for your large diameter work. All machines can be equipped with optional state-of-the-art digital readouts with superior accurate glass scales, tracers, and 5C collet closers, and other useful options. From your tool room to your production floor, the Expand Machinery GANESH line has you covered. Please visit us at www.expandmachinery.com or call 818-349-9166 for more information.